On this week's episode of In the Kitchen with Ollie, the best potato and leek soup. Ingredients: wash, peel, and roughly chop a red and white onion, 2 leeks, and 3 potatoes. On a medium to high heat, add butter and oil to a stock pot. Start with shallow frying the onions. Add garlic granules or fresh garlic. Aromat seasoning or salt. Worcestershire sauce. Still on a medium to high heat, add the leeks. Add some white wine vinegar. Then, some mango chutney. And finally, add in the potatoes. Cover with lid and leave to simmer on a medium to low heat for 3 to 5 minutes. Pour in a milk of your choice or water. Then, 2 vegetable stock cubes dissolved in 600 milliliters of hot water. Adding honey is optional. Cover with lid and leave to simmer for 30 to 35 minutes on a medium to low heat. Make sure to check on the soup every so often. Use a knife to test how soft the potatoes are. When you can cut through them, it shows the soup's ready for blending. Blend the soup to your liking. This is ideal for me because I prefer soups with a thicker consistency. To make it more to your liking, add more milk or water. Adding single cream is optional. The cream not only changes the color of the soup, but it also adds a silky texture and a rich flavor. And that's it. Grab a bowl and enjoy the best potato and leek soup. I'm so excited to share my favorite soup with you all. This soup is absolutely delicious. Without a doubt, 10 out of 10. As always, thank you so much for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe. Love you all so much, and God bless.